Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we are talking about 3 altcoins that I am buying now that I believe in for the long term. I think these ones are going to be performing very well over the course of my lifetime. I'm that confident in these coins. Now guys, if you do have any Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, and you would like to earn some passive income, you can use the link below in the description to sign up for BlockFi, where you get interest on your cryptocurrency. They're also doing a promotion where they're giving away some free Bitcoin as long as you guys sign up, and I think the minimum amount you have to deposit is $100 worth of cryptocurrency on their platform, and you get some free Bitcoin. Links are below alongside the link to sign up for my Discord. We talk about stocks and cryptocurrency every single day there, so definitely join that. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright people, so here we are on CoinMarketCap, and as you guys can see, Bitcoin has basically flattened out in the past week. Ethereum as well, flattened out in the past week. But if we go down below Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can see the altcoins. Binance token up 17%, Cardano up 38%, XRP up 42%. So guys, it is officially altcoin season, and I'm going to be giving you guys the best altcoins to buy now to capitalize on this altcoin run. Now, before we get into this, I have to tell you guys that these altcoins have also shot up in the past week. So there's always the chance of a pullback. Cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. You are risking a lot of money if you put in more than you're willing to lose into cryptocurrency. So just be very, very careful. Don't put anything in more than you're willing to lose. I am not a financial advisor, so take everything in this video with a grain of salt. Every investment decision that you make is your choice and your choice only. It is not mine. I'm not accountable for when you guys lose all your money in cryptocurrency, but I am very confident in these picks, and I'm holding each of these, and I'm buying each of these, and I will be going over the risk as well in buying these coins. So if that is something that you guys enjoy, leave a like on the video right now. So there's always the question that Bitcoin is overvalued, it's going to crash. Right now we're in a dead cat bounce. So I just want to go over with you guys the Bitcoin rainbow price chart, which has been an indicator that many professionals have used in cryptocurrency to predict basically the top of Bitcoin. So if we're tracing this data back to around 2014, this is the first bubble of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has a bunch of bubble cycles, as they like to say. The first bubble came about a year after that halving. Then we have this second bubble in around 2017. It was about a year and a half after the halving. Each of the 2 last times, Bitcoin made it to the red band of this logarithmic regression of the cryptocurrency price. And this chart right here is called the rainbow chart. So the Bitcoin price likes to oscillate up to the red upper band all the way down to that blue lower band. And you're supposed to be accumulating when you're in this blue lower band and then selling when you're up here in this red band. So currently, Bitcoin is right over here at a hold, so the yellow range is a hold at $47,000, and many people believe that this will make it to the upper red band, which in this case would likely be around $188,000. Now this represents a large upside with Bitcoin, and I just wanted to show you guys that the rainbow chart is not advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is meant to be for fun and just a way of looking at price movements. So guys, don't take this as financial advice. Bitcoin may or may not go to $200,000 a coin according to this rainbow chart. I don't know. You don't know. Anyways, the first altcoin to buy now is Ethereum. And you guys might think, oh, this is too high of a market cap. This is boring. But you have to understand this entire ecosystem that is being built on the Ethereum blockchain in terms of decentralized apps, NFTs, DeFi. A lot of it is being built on the Ethereum blockchain. And if you guys have ever tried to use Ethereum gas right now, Ethereum gas prices are at insane amounts. Just to convert some of my Ethereum into an ERC20 token, it cost me about $90 in gas prices. So it's absolutely insane just to do any of this right now on the Ethereum network. You guys can just see here on dappradar.com the DeFi overview. You look at all of these DeFi systems. You have Aave, Compound, Curve, Uniswap, Rep Bitcoin, Convex Finance, all of these different decentralized protocols. All of the top ones are on the Ethereum blockchain. So Ethereum's blockchain is being utilized more than any other blockchain there is. You go to the NFTs overview. Again, on dappradar.com, every single NFT collection is using Ethereum, besides for NBA Top Shot, which is using Flow. So it is very important to understand that the Ethereum ecosystem is massive, and if you're not investing in this coin, you are missing out on a lot. There also recently was the London hard fork, which helps turns Ethereum into a deflationary currency. So this should help with the price action of Ethereum going forward. The next coin that we have on this list is ADA or Cardano. Now, one thing to take into consideration before buying Cardano is just this insane price action that we have seen over the past month in this coin. You guys can see it has gone from about $1 per coin all the way up to $2.05 per coin. So it has had about a 100% increase in not too much time. And as you guys can see, this if we're using the daily candlesticks here, we have an overshot RSI by a lot. So I'd personally wait for this one to come down. It reached a peak of about $2.23 and now it's at $2.05. There might be a little bit more of a correction to come before this starts rallying again. But you guys can see here that Cardano smart contracts are scheduled to launch on September 12th. With the implementation of smart contracts on the Cardano ecosystem, we can start seeing it take away market share from Ethereum in the future. With Cardano's proof of stake verification system, transactions are also much cheaper than that of Ethereum, and it does not take as much power. It is not as bad for the environment as Ethereum. So there is basically a trade-off. Ethereum is the big dog. It has all of these DeFi, NFT, and other ecosystems within its blockchain currently. Cardano is looking to do that in the future, but they are better for the environment. They have faster transactions, and they are on a proof of stake protocol. So you have to take all of those into consideration when making your investment. Which one you guys think is better? Personally, I do think that picking up some ADA on a pullback would not be a bad idea, because things like to run in anticipation of an event, and then if you sell on September 10th or in anticipation for the release of smart contracts, it'll likely see a dump off as a sell the news event. So while I am personally more bullish on Ethereum in the long term, I really do think that Cardano could see some awesome price action within the next month. This brings me into the next coin that I'd like to talk about today, and that is Sushiswap. Sushiswap is a decentralized exchange where you can connect your ERC20 wallet, so something like Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet, and you can use that to make trades on an exchange that is not owned by a company. So unlike Coinbase, this is completely different. It uses a completely different way of making transactions. You have liquidity providers on the network that have to supply the coins in order to make transactions. And in return, the liquidity providers get a small fee for providing that liquidity for the transaction. So it is very, very confusing. I've actually made another video on liquidity providing and how you can make some passive income on your cryptocurrency by providing liquidity to Uniswap. However, this is not about liquidity providing. This is about the token itself, and that is Sushiswap token. I have to warn you guys that there is essentially no intrinsic value to Sushiswap token. It is a governance token, and what that basically means is that the more Sushiswap that you own, the more rights you have to make changes on their blockchain by voting. The more Sushiswap you have, the more votes, the more input you have on their decentralized exchange. And since there's no centralized party, they need to have a governance system in order for the exchange to evolve and make changes in the future. Now, you guys have seen me talk about Uniswap before, which is this coin right here, the little unicorn guy, but not Sushiswap. Sushiswap was actually a hard fork of Uniswap, which means that they are very, very similar in code. However, I do think Sushiswap is undervalued relative to Uniswap, and there is a few reasons. So if you look at the fully diluted market cap of Sushiswap, it's about $3.2 billion. If we go to the fully diluted market cap of Uniswap, it's about $29 billion, excuse me. So that's almost 10 times larger in market cap than Sushiswap's coin. But if you just compare the raw numbers of Sushiswap, you guys can see there's about $4 billion of total liquidity on Sushiswap, but on Uniswap it is only $4.5 billion of total liquidity. So if we're just comparing the liquidity on each of these networks, it's not that much bigger of a difference. Now, that being said, Uniswap is a larger platform than Sushiswap. There's more volume on the platform, there's more token pairs on the platform, and it's also the original, as Sushiswap was a hard fork of Uniswap. So Uniswap is a bigger decentralized exchange, but this begs the question that should Uniswap token be worth almost 10 times more than Sushiswap? And I think the answer is no, and I think there is a bit of an arbitrage opportunity, if you guys even want to consider it that, in Sushiswap token, and I think there is some upside. But at the same time, this is a governance token that does not technically have any intrinsic value, so it is probably the riskiest asset that I have talked about so far on this list. So that's about it for the video. Those are the 3 cryptocurrencies that I am currently buying now in this altcoin bull run, and I'm a big fan of all of these. Obviously, Ethereum is my #1 choice, as I think is just the best long-term overall investment. Even though it's at a very high market cap, it's very hard to ignore all of this DeFi, NFTs, everything being built on Ethereum smart contracts currently. You can't ignore it. You really can't ignore it. Cardano, it's looking to take that spot. Faster transactions, better for the environment, but it currently has no smart contracts. So what exactly are you going to do? These are going to be integrated in September, so we're looking for a pullback and then ride out that run until September 10th or 11th, and then we're going to sell before the news hits of these smart contracts, and then possibly buy back in. We'll reanalyze at that point. And then we have Sushiswap token, which is a governance token that is heavily undervalued compared to another governance token that is Uni token. And guys, those are the 3 cryptocurrencies I'm looking at buying right now, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. Always remember that if you guys do have Ethereum or Bitcoin, or if you just want to earn higher interest on your USD than you would in a bank account, you can sign up for BlockFi using that link below, and they're also doing a promotion where you get up to $250 in Bitcoin just for depositing at least $100 on the platform. So definitely check that out. Also, leave that like on the video, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys later. Peace.